Welcome back to an in-process rizz pick installation because someone forgot to hit record, i.e. me. But put your little bar on. Of course, it screws down underneath. I guess I could take that back. I've already done it. Oh, that's right. I need 2 washers. 1 washer. 2. There we go. Put you out a little. Good Lord. That's what I get for doing this late at night. Alright. About to mess up again. Good Lord. Alright, there we go. Put that one on. Put your other part of the carriage on, or whatever this thing's called. And then make sure your little notch is lined up with said other notch. Put 1 in. I should wait probably. Put your other one in. There we go. Shiny. Pop this bad boy. Always stiff when they're new. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh no, that's right. Okay, yeah. I had to bend it like I bent my other one. That's okay. I'll fix that later. Alright. I gotta try to remember how to put these back on. That's right, I did it this way. So. Oh boy. Don't forget to add your other extension on if you have a full covert companion. Like I just did. Should add some music to this, but I know I can't because of YouTube. I don't remember. I had this. 2 washers on mine. Yes. Maybe. No, that's it. What I do is I always put this in a little bit. Kind of hold this one side together. Snug it down for now. Kind of hold that. Swing it out of the way. And come and do the other side. Yeah, that's first. Also, I put it on camera, don't it? Rinse and repeat. And that one doesn't get anything, I don't believe. Okay. There you go. Get this a little snug, and then we're going to pop it over those O-rings. I don't know if I can get this. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Got it in there good. Then I just don't adjust my tension where I want it. That's way too much. That's about right. I could use a little bit more. And there you go. And I have a complete monstrosity. Bend that tab over. Oh, that's too much. There we go. Nice little bow. Goes right in there. Let's see if we can get this. I always have to take these guys, move them back. What did I do wrong? Oh Lord, what did I mess up? I should have printed out a diagram. Ah, no, there it is. And then there it is. Kind of lay that in place. There we go. Nice. Overly sized. There we go. Nice overly sized monstrosity of a covert companion. I love it. I also have my slim pickler.